How to download games for free in EA app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to download popular games from EA application and you want them to download for free, then you can easily do that. First things first, open the EA application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the game or add-ons. You can use the search bar or also go to the most popular section or the categories displayed on the page. There you will be able to find some free games to play. Click on the game that you want to download for free. It will be usually highlighted as free underneath the game. For example, I'm gonna download this skate game over here. Go and look for the free tab underneath it. Click on the game, and on the next page, you'll see the overview section of the game. Simply click on download and wait for the download to complete. Now, select your installation location on your device. Select the language. If you want to choose and create a desktop shortcut, make sure this is checked. If you want the game to be updated automatically in the future, make sure this is also checked on the next field. And finally, click on Next. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device so that the download process will be completed in just a few minutes. Now, once you click Next on the next page, click on Download and wait for the download to complete. Some of the games out there might be free, but some of the games out there might need purchasing. If you see the free option, simply click on the game and you'll be able to install it for free on your PC. Now all you need to do is to wait for the download to complete and you'll be able to find the game inside your library. So that's how you easily download the game and play it for free on EA Games. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.